Hi there, it's Ajmer from In-House Solutions again with another video on what's new in 2026. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do 3D lathe tools. They've added the ability to load in GTC files, generic tool catalog files, and I've got a bunch of ones downloaded from the Sandvik website. You can get it from other sites as well. So I'll start with the C3 one there. So this is the zip file, I guess, downloaded from the client computer from the tooling catalog. And you have to validate it. And if you get a green check mark, you're in good shape. And if I save it to the part, you'll see it brings in the tool up there. I'll do another one. Again, validate it. And green check, and then you save to part. So I got a rougher and finisher. And I'll just kind of go through and edit the tool just to make sure everything's correct. So this is the roughing tool. And I'm just going to kind of go through the settings as you normally would with a 3D tool. Make sure everything is good. So everything seems legit here. I'll just carry on. And then I'll check the insert definition. So the one thing that it does miss the lead angles on the inserts, but honestly, for the sake of how quick and easy this is, insert up is right, boundary is correct. All of this stuff is correct, and here. So the cut and the plunge is correct. The only thing is missing these angle definitions. So just put the line. And once you're used to what these lines or these sections mean, you can kind of go in there and just quickly just enter some info. You can make it as long as you want. And this tool is ready to go. So I'll get into the other one that I did there. So I'll just do this. So that one's fixed and checked. I'm going to edit this one. So it's a finishing tool. And I'm pretty sure everything's good except for that angle. So I'll just kind of get into it. So this is okay. Insert up is correct. This is all good as well. And just the angles. Like I said before, we'll pick the front angle and a side angle. And as well, we'll put some numbers in here for the length of the insert. We do have the option of picking it from the CAD drawing as well. So there's my insert fully defined. And my tools in my library are good. And what I'll do is I'll just put some toolpaths on here for you. Simple part here. So there's my part. My top view. I do have stock defined somewhere. Yep, there it is there. So if I do some roughing now, I'll start from there. I want to go to there. And there's my roughing tool. And I'll just say OK. So there's my roughing tool. So it's legitimately using the 3D profile of the new custom tool. And I just want to do a finishing operation. I'll pick the last chain. And I'll use my finishing tool. And I'll leave all my settings as is. So quickly and easily you can bring in 3D custom GTC files and load up the tool libraries. And one last thing they've added in the operations here, you can, as you could always do in Mill, you can load custom defaults for your operation defaults here as well. So here I've got a 1/4 inch and 100 thou set and 10 and 10. And for the sake that I just made a modification default, and you'll see this changed, these all changed. So you can save as many as you want to make it more in line with what the mill operation defaults are. Hope that helps.